Yeah, so this is Kedar Raman with the semester 2 portfolio. Uh, this semester's portfolio, a bit like last semester's, was also an exploration of generative art in art practice and about how to play with sensory input data and configure it across normal and visual means. First class, well, the first studio unit interaction of technology, focused on, for me at least, the creation of physical sensors, databases, and data collation. Our workshop was about making with our hands, digital fabrication, which studied and uh, researched methods of making from old school sandcasting to modern 3D printing. Our TDR, Art Science Bangalore, once again focused on the discussions of philosophy, on the place anarchism and anarchy have within art, society, in knowing what place what stance it has in an increasingly technological world. And so this portfolio became a dedicated exploration of, firstly, creation through data, generative sciences, and more importantly, the exploitation of machine error and the possibilities of art that stem from this. For example, this particular video is a voice track overlaid on a singular uh, program that splits apart my voice into its component frequencies and notes and amplitudes and uses them to warp a 3D model. The algorithm itself randomly places the frequencies at each point within the model, allowing it to warp and change and shift in different ways. And so this is an example of how and where and how much even tiny things, even unnoticeable background noises can affect the things we hear, see, and perceive. For now, for example, as my voice is overlaid by the fan, the laptop sensor picks it up, puts it through the sequencer, and adds these notes to my other guy's voice. Just air, wind, ordinary background noises that we don't even register anymore. This fractal distorts, loops in on itself, and repeats. Third way this talks about machine error is within the printed pieces we created and were supposed to present within, in my case, RAS 301. Because of the way the printer was unable to fully embed the ink onto the paper, the ink itself is somewhat free floating. Normally, this presents a problem, but to an artist, this is another opportunity for use. The pages, the slides could be altered, manipulated, and used in different ways according to the audience to express their feedback in a non-verbal, non-textual fashion.